Good morning, this is Kim, and we are nearing the end of week 1 of our online statistics course, and I just wanted to touch base with everyone since I've had a few questions about navigation. I've already logged into MyLabs Plus and logged into our course, and I would start here. I bet many of you did that. This start here is going to tell you how the class works. We do several different modules. Tells you how you can get an access code. You do have to purchase access. It's about $100, I believe, if you don't get the textbook. You can also get an optional textbook. The e-text does come with the access code. And you'll see the campus safety video there. If you click here on syllabus, you can read the entire syllabus. It gives my office phone number. If you need to text me, please tell me who you are, my email address. And if you scroll down, it'll tell you what we cover each week, test dates, that kind of thing. Getting help. There are StatCrunch video tutorials, super helpful. We use StatCrunch for all our calculations. We do not use formulas. You'll hear me say that lots during this semester. Even though the examples done often are with formulas, always go to these StatCrunch videos or ask me. You can always get additional practice. You can come to Heartland Tutoring. You can get Pearson Tutoring. Lots of different ways to get help. Please contact me if you have any help. There's additional practice that's optional. Gradebook where you can check your grades. StatCrunch. This will give you access to StatCrunch if you need it outside of the homework. Most homework problems have StatCrunch embedded within them, and you'll see me send videos about those. This week we're covering Module 1. If I click on it, you'll see that it goes from the 11th to the 17th. Gives you kind of an introduction of what we're covering. If you click on each individual module, it starts with a reading assignment. This time there's none. There's a StatCrunch introduction video for you, and then always at the bottom there'll be a link to the homework. If you click that, it will take you straight to the homework set, and you're able to work on the homework. You get as many attempts as you want for the homework, but every time you miss it 3 times, you'll be given another problem. Here's one that does have sections of the e-text. If you click on that, it will open the e-text for you, and you're able to read the e-text. You can toggle back and forth then from one to the other if you like to leave that open while you do your work. Again, there's a link to the homework. We cover chapters 1 and 2 this week, so you'll see that in Module 1.3 we're covering 2.1 and 2.2. And in Module 1.4, we're covering 2.3 and 2.4. You'll note that I give several StatCrunch videos, but I also give StatCrunch written instructions in case you learn better using the written instructions in front of you. We also have a quiz this week. You have 5 attempts for that quiz. I take your highest score. You may review your quiz back in that gradebook tab before you take it for the 2nd, 3rd, 4th time. There's always a few videos that I post. And there's a discussion each week. You'll see that many people have already filled out their discussion. Those are easy points, and they are the way that you keep connected with this class since it's an online class. Notice that I also have some technology aids. I talk about how to do the homework. This is a great video I've made that just tells you how to navigate the homework if you're unfamiliar with it or don't know all the great features of it. And then I often give you StatCrunch commands. If you have any other questions, please let me know.